Hey everyone, welcome back. Instagram has officially launched Edits, a brand new video editing app designed to fill the gap left by the removal of ByteDance CapCut from the App Store earlier this year. While CapCut disappeared alongside TikTok and had yet to return, Instagram has stepped in with a robust alternative tailored for content creators. Originally teased shortly after CapCut's removal, Edits has taken several months to fully develop. Now available, the app offers a comprehensive video creation experience that works seamlessly with Instagram and is equally compatible with other platforms like TikTok. It is compact with advanced tools for filming, editing, and enhancing video content. Creators can take advantage of AI-powered effects including animations and cutouts, along with features for managing projects, organizing ideas, and exporting videos. The app also includes an inspiration feed filled with reels and insights on performance to help spark new ideas and strategies. Instagram collaborated closely with creators during development, ensuring the app is pretty intuitive, efficient, and equipped with everything needed for modern content production.